On this episode of the Miniac Auto Club, Mercedes-AMG just unveiled the newest addition to the AMG GT lineup at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, the new Mercedes-Amg Gt 63 Pro 4MATIC Plus. According to Mercedes, agile response to driver input and heightened overall performance provide an even sportier driving experience, including on the racetrack. Increased power, aerodynamic fine-tuning, and enhanced cooling contribute to the coupe's exceptional driving dynamics and faster lap times. Arriving at US dealerships in 2025, the 2025 AMG GT 63 Pro 4MATIC Plus also upholds the key advantages synonymous with the AMG GT model portfolio. Mercedes responded to customer feedback for improved daily usability compared to the previous models. The second generation AMG GT offers a spacious interior with available 2+2 seating. Advanced technology such as AMG Active Ride Control Suspension with active roll stabilization, active rear axle steering, active aerodynamics, and AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus fully variable all-wheel drive further refine the driving experience. If you're looking to not only enjoy your AMG GT on the road but also tackle some fast laps on the racetrack, the GT63 Pro is the ideal choice. Mercedes boosted the engine's performance and enhanced aerodynamics with elements such as the new front apron and additional air deflectors on the underbody, additional radiators in the wheel arches, and electric water pumps in the top-mounted radiators ensure stability even under intense use. At the same time, the GT Pro offers a high degree of everyday usability. Now, when it comes to high-performance sports cars, usability kind of is a key thing there because you want to be able to enjoy the vehicle even when you're not trying to get a very fast lap time. This blend of performance and practicality makes it a perfect addition to the AMG GT family, which has something to offer for every sports car enthusiast. Now, Mercedes does offer quite a lot of vehicles, and there is literally something for everybody when it comes to these cars. The handcrafted AMG 4.0-liter V8 biturbo delivers 26 more horsepower than the AMG GT63, producing a total of 603 horsepower. For even more powerful acceleration, the engineers boosted torque to 627 pound-feet, which is an increase of 37. This enables impressive overall performance, especially at higher speeds. The AMG GT63 Pro sprints from 0 to 124 miles per hour in just 10.9 seconds, 0.5 seconds faster than the regular AMG GT63. The top speed is reached at 197 miles per hour. That is insane. As far as the cooling package is concerned, the AMG GT engineers reinforced both high and low temperature cooling circuits to ensure optimal drivetrain temperatures. Two radiators are now positioned in the left and right front wheel arches to increase cooling efficiency and ultimately enhance overall vehicle performance on the racetrack. The top-mounted radiators for the front and rear differentials, along with the transfer case of the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus fully variable all-wheel drive, are now actively cooled. Electrically operated water pumps ensure circulation of coolant in the corresponding circuits and can therefore better and more continuously dissipate heat via the top-mounted radiators. Additionally, the new geometry of the air vanes on the underbody and revised brake cover plates optimize airflow to the brakes, which increases durability and prevents excessive brake temperatures. Aerodynamics and driving dynamics specialists collaborated closely on the aerodynamic fine-tuning of the new AMG GT 63 Pro to increase overall performance in terms of longitudinal and lateral dynamics. The unique front fascia has an even more aggressive appearance with additional carbon fiber air deflectors around the enlarged side air intakes. The active aerodynamic profile in the underbody, air panel, active air control system in the front fascia, and the AMG Aerodynamics package with fixed rear wing are also fitted as standard. Aerodynamic lift on the front axle is reduced by over 66 pounds for even greater handling stability. The AMG GT63 Pro also features additional air deflectors on the underbody, similar to those on the Mercedes-AMG 1. These fins, which are located on the height of the front and rear axles, accelerate the airflow on the underbody. All aerodynamic measures are coordinated and interact with the fixed rear wing concept, which increases downforce on the rear axle by approximately 33 pounds. As far as brakes go, an AMG carbon ceramic high-performance composite brake system is equipped as standard. It features 6-piston fixed calipers at the front, paired with 16.5-inch brake discs and single-piston floating calipers at the rear. The brake system reduces unsprung mass and provides high stability and fade resistance even under extreme load. Lightweight AMG Performance 21-inch forged split-spoke wheels, finished exclusively in Himalaya Gray Matte, are fitted standard with Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires in 295/30 ZR21 at the front and 305/30 ZR21 at the rear. Quite some large tires. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R Extreme Performance tires are also available at no additional charge. So what you see here is this car is designed to be sold as a street car, but really they want you to take this thing to the track. Kind of like Porsche with their 911 GT3 RS. Yes, it's a street car, but you can also take this thing to the racetrack and have a lot of fun with it. The standard AMG exterior carbon fiber package emphasizes the highly dynamic character of the AMG GT63 Pro with a front splitter, side sill trims, rear diffuser, and rear wing made from high-quality carbon fiber. Black painted brake calipers, AMG Performance seats with a high level of lateral support, and an AMG Performance steering wheel in Nappa leather microfiber are also included as standard. As far as this goes, this is one incredible car, and as far as the numbers go, really impressive. With a 0 to 60 time of 3.1 seconds, that is incredibly quick. As far as the transmission goes, it uses the AMG Speed Shift MCT 9G. Now, I'm not exactly sure what that is. I will have to do some more research on this car, but I have seen the AMG GT out on the racetrack quite often, especially last year, and I've always thought it was an incredible car just because of how it sounded. It just sounded so aggressive, almost like a muscle car. So this thing is incredible, and if I ever had a chance to own one or drive one, I'd have a lot of fun. Because here's the thing. It is a very almost understated car. The overall aesthetic is very clean lined, very simple, nothing over the top, nothing flashy, nothing showy. It's a sport coupe. It doesn't give off the vibe of being this flashy supercar, but this thing is incredible and I think it's just a beautiful car. Until next time, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.